Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 9, Coordinates Geometry, part 1. Coordinates. What do you mean by coordinates? Coordinates means position or location of any object. Please pay your attention on the board. X, O, X dash and Y, O, Y dash. These two straight lines perpendicularly intersect at O. O is known as origin and XO X dash. This line is known as X axis and this line known as Y axis. You must remember arrow sign in either side you have to put, otherwise it will be the segment of straight line, but XO X dash is a straight line. This is why this arrow is must. Now this portion, that is 90 degree, this 90 degree is known as first quadrant and coordinates of this quadrant plus. Coordinates means value of x and y. Value of x, that is this distance, this is the point, distance between point from y axis and distance the point from x axis, that is xy, and xy both greater than 0. In this quadrant minus plus, and in this quadrant minus and this is plus minus. This you have to remember. And there are more parts, that is x coordinates or abscissa. X coordinates, that is known as abscissa, that is denoted by this, and y coordinates or ordinate, this is denoted by y. Y coordinate or ordinate. And coordinates of origin, that is 0. Coordinates of point P on x axis, that is x0. If any point lie on x axis, that means ordinate will be 0. And if any points lie on y axis, that is y coordinates, that is x coordinates, x coordinate will be 0. That you have to remember. On this, the sums are given from M.L. Agarwal, that is exercise 19.1, sum number 1. Find the coordinates of points whose abscissa is 3 and ordinate is minus 4. Sum is given here. Abscissa, that is x equal to 3 and ordinate, that is y equal to minus 4. Therefore, coordinates of the point 3 minus 4. Simple. If you understand this, that is what is known as abscissa and what is ordinate. If you understand, then easily you will get the solution of this sum. Next, that is ordinate is 5 and abscissa is minus 5. Here ordinate is 5 and abscissa minus 2. Therefore, coordinates of the points, abscissa always you have to write first, that is x coordinate, y coordinate. Though here is ordinate is given first, abscissa second, but when you are writing coordinates, that time we have to write minus 2, 5. Next and third part, whose ordinates is 3/2 and lies on y axis. If a point lies on y axis, that means this axis, x coordinate will be 0. Here ordinate is given 3/2. Since the point lies on y axis, this is why abscissa x equal to 0. Therefore, coordinates of the point 0, 3/2. The sums are completed. Next, another type of sum, in which quadrant or on which axis each of the following points lie. That is minus 3, 5. Minus 3, 5, that is this minus 5, 3, that is second quadrant. Easily, by looking the coordinates, easily we will understand the quadrant. And 2, 0, that means x0, that is point lie on x axis. And minus 3, minus 6. Minus, both are minus, that is third quadrant. If you understand this part clearly, then any sum on from this exercise easily you will get the solution. If you feel difficulties, you must go through the step attentively. I think easily you will understand. Okay, thank you everybody.